This is a festive twist on the classic gin-based Tom Collins cocktail, with a deliciously Christmassy chocolate orange flavour replacing the traditional lemon. Here's what you'll need. Jaffa Cake gin, smooth orange juice, sugar syrup, sparkling water, rosemary, an orange washed to remove any wax, and some ice. Pull your peeler around your orange to cut a long strip of peel, avoiding cutting into the white pith. Trim the edges, coil it up around your finger, then set it aside. Half fill your cocktail shaker with ice. Pour in a double measure of Jaffa Cake gin for a chocolate orange hit. Add a single measure of orange juice, then 2 teaspoons of sugar syrup. Secure the lid and shake for around 10 seconds to chill and combine your ingredients. Pop some fresh ice cubes into a tall glass. Place your cocktail strainer over the mouth of the shaker and carefully pour your gin mix into the glass. To finish your Christmas Collins, top up the glass with sparkling water and give it a stir. Add the garnishes and you're ready to serve.